When I say it was messy, look at that. I wish that my eyes can open bigger. Okay, I cannot do this on camera. So today I'm going to be reviewing this $3 DIY eyelash extensions that I got from Temu. Does it actually work? Because if this does work, it'll save me a lot of money because $3 is insane. So I just clean my eyelashes off camera with the regular eyelash cleaner. So let's get started. This set came with the lash cluster, the bond and seal applicator, this tweezer, a remover, which thank God. I don't understand what is the seal for, but guess we'll see. I guess I just pull one out and start with the end of my lashes, I guess. I'm going for the cat eye look, so let's hope it will turn out like Catwoman and not cat dog. From what I read online is that people recommend to put the bond on the eyelash extensions instead of putting it on your eyelash like a mascara, so it doesn't look clumpy. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I did it. I kind of did it. That looks nice. I wish that my eyes can open bigger. I'm kind of struggling in the inner part of my eyelashes, but so far so good. Okay, I cannot do this on camera because I need to lift up my eye. Give me a moment. The inner part of the eye is so hard. Keep on coming off, it's so annoying. Phew, the last one took me 10 minutes to finish because it was kind of hard to apply it on the inner part of the eye, but I must say they look pretty cute. Took me about 30 minutes to finish one eye, so I'm going to be applying the next eye off camera and I'll be right back. That took forever to finish. It was kind of hard. Applying them was hell and it was so messy. I got glue everywhere, but I kind of ate that. They kind of look good. Don't you think so? So the last part I should do is applying the seal. Look at this, you guys. Look how messy they are. Like, the glue just spilled everywhere. Now this seal confuses me because I don't really know how to use them, what their purpose are. Looking at the website, they say that apply a thin layer of seal for reinforcement. So you just apply at the bend of the eyelash, I think. I think you should apply this near the glue where you put the glue or the root of the lash, I think. So I'm just going to apply them. I just don't want them to look wet, you know? Ugh, so messy. When I say it was messy, it was messy. It was so annoying, but so you're supposed to like I don't see anything happening. Look at that. The glue is going everywhere. Oh, Jesus. I kinda hate this now. Oh, this is how they look like. I don't feel like the seal did anything, but I'm gonna be honest, some of them are like hanging on their lives. So I'm really hoping that by tomorrow they will completely dry off. So I'm just going to give them time. But for $3, they sure look pretty good. Even though the application was hell. Truly test them out. I'm going to sleep with them on tonight and check back in tomorrow to see if they are still intact on my eye or am I going to lose an eye. Just kidding, but like, imagine though. It's the next day and I have some opinions. So sleeping with these lashes on last night was an experience. And it wasn't that good of an experience. They were so sticky, my eyes were like gluing shut. And it was so annoying. And then I was trying to fix it because I can't sleep with my eyes gluing shut together. So I was like, how do I fix this? So I had to be Albert Einstein for once. And I had to use like a powder to get rid of the sticky feeling. And thank God it did because I would have removed them. Besides that, they kind of look good. I must say, for a $3 eyelash extensions DIY, it's looking pretty good. And I will insert some clip of how they look like in the daylight. So, for my final thoughts, is it worth $3 and would I recommend it? Yeah, no. As you guys can see, it's gone. Now you must be wondering, what happened? When I washed my face last night, they just gone. They just gone with the wind, girl. They were like, bye.
Bye, Felicia. Come on, let's go.
Initially, yesterday, I was going to say that, you know, for $3, you can have this most beautiful lash extensions and you can do it yourself. It's cheap, blah, blah, blah. But like, where is it now, sister? Clearly, it's not worth it. For $3, I can buy myself a burger. I feel like the real culprit is the glue because not only it explodes everywhere, like as you guys can see, I tried my best cleaning them, but they're just leaking everywhere. I was like, oh god. The seal didn't do anything. It's just a clear water. And the bond is just a regular lash glue. So save your $3, buy yourself a burger, and if you really want an eyelash extensions, maybe buy different glue. So yeah, that's it for this video. It was a circus show because not only I spent that much amount of effort to put on these individual lashes, like it took me around 2 hours to do them, but it also gave me false hope. When I woke up, I just have this most beautiful lashes, but when I washed my face, it was gone. Like I said, you don't need to buy them. They are not good at all. But if you bought this and you tried them on yourself and somehow made it work and it didn't came off when you wash your face, share them in the comments down below. How did you do it? Because clearly it didn't work for me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and give it a little thumbs up. You know, it shows that you support me, it shows that you love me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I hope to do more of this, reviewing cheap stuff from Temu or Shein or AliExpress, something like it, because I love seeing cheap stuff that works, you know. See you next time. Bye guys.